Well, I can tell you, I'm an old-school landlord, but when I heard and saw what AI banks had restructured in the home rental business, it made complete sense to me, and I took them up on their offer. They lease to families who want to buy in the areas of my rentals because they're looking to grow the market to increase my property value and increase profits. Other property management companies haven't began to think of a structure like AI banks and what their structure is doing for landlords after a global pandemic. This is becoming a great business again. My rent payments are bank guaranteed for the entire lease, plus damage coverage as long as we are leasing to future homeowners in the area. Landlords never had this option until now. AI banks is not asking me to sell my homes, but they are utilizing my rental properties to build more homeowners in the community. I think that's smart. They're doing it at no cost to me. I think that's brilliant. And we're helping people. If someone is going to manage my property portfolio, I'd rather it be AI Bank's property management. At least they thought enough to build a safety net for landlords and renters.
I started working with AI banks after I received a phone call about my rental listing in San Diego, California. And I really never considered property management. But not even I could guarantee the rent payments as a landlord. And at that time, I was still working a job and I really wanted the rental income. And not so much the extra work of maintaining a rental property on my weekends, and sometimes through the week. But now, being a full-time landlord, I spend my time prospecting new properties while AI Banks manages and guarantees on time and full rent, and damage coverage for landlords, helping rebuild the economy. There is a family leasing my property right now that's looking to grow and establish themselves, and that just seemed like what you call the American dream right there. You know? AI Bank's model really made that happen.
Hey, a new tech company took property management and combined it with banking and insurance to protect landlords' rental income. Property management needed to evolve in order for real estate to evolve as well. AI Banks placed property management on autopilot with AutoPay as they handle everything from listing to leasing, charging all fees to their renters and sponsors. It's a cost-friendly structure for investors. I've seen other companies with fabulous reviews, but they still couldn't guarantee the rent payments for my property portfolio. We're now bank leasing with AI Banks. Finally, there's a company that protects landlords and renters alike without charging anyone anything extra to ensure a smooth bank leasing and no-cost property management rent payment guarantee for the entire term of the lease. Visit AIBanksPropertyManagement.com.